May ginawa ka na ba for another artist naman na kwento mo pero sila yung kumanta?
Bini.
What? Which song?
Golden Arrow.
Golden Arrow.
Oh my gosh!
Yung Golden Arrow, originally when they were asking for songs, naghingi sila ng hindi love song. Kasi it was early on in their career, gusto nilang focus yung girls talaga na
Yes.
friendship, sisterhood. So, yung Golden Arrow, inspired siya sa prom night ko. So, so basically, yung mga lines na grab the ice cream, go to the cock, bumili kaming ice cream after prom, ganun, nag-sleepover kami. So, I like how it's super captured din sa music video.
Nakaano siya. So, what happened in your real life sa prom, kinapture sa music video?
Hindi, coincidentally lang.
Oh my God.
When I was watching the music video, sabi ko, oh, it's like my life.
Hindi mo sinabi na. Hindi ka pa
Hindi ko
nag-request.
sinabi.
Hindi mo sinabi sa kanila?
Sinabi.
Is this the first time that everyone will find out na yung music video ng Golden Arrow ay ang story mo?
Basically,
night.
pero hindi. It's not on purpose. Yung mga, I don't know who made the music video. I think, hopefully, Yumias. If not, I'm sorry. Wait lang.
Iba pala.
Kinabahan ako.
Napalakpak na lang siya eh.
Pero, oh my gosh!
But yeah, the
Grabe.
song's about yung prom night ko.
Coincidence, no?
Coincidence.
Eh, ano bang trademark ang gustong tumatak paggawang sab yan?
Oh.
Ano gusto mo yung maisip agad ng mga tao? Ay, si Sab nagsulat niyan.
Parang mayroon kang...
Like melodically or lyric?
Sige,
Both.
both.
Usually melodically, for some reason, may very rhythmic part yung songs ko in the middle. So for example, like, so biglang may bibilist for no reason. Doon na yung friends ko sa
They know it's really you.
Biglaan, bumilis yung song for no reason. Nabi, ba't ba yung ginagawa? Like, it's fun.
Parang
Gusto yung trademark niya,
That's
diba?
true. Kasi parang you like to surprise people. And nakikita ko sa personality mo na you're just very... Ay, bubbly.
Thank
It's
you.
like a positive ray of positivity
True.
na dumadaan. Pag nakikita ko si Sam,
Positive
Thank you.
energy.
You're very
diba?
beautiful.
Wala man lang you're cute too.
you're so beautiful too.
Thank you.
Ay,
You are also
Parang
beautiful.
ano lang ako dito, pader. Pader lang ako dito.
Well,
Sige, salita muna kayo.
You are loved.
oo,